Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Julia Child's birthday. But it's also super simple Saturday and I thought, what can we make of Julia's that is really easy to make? And I decided on her basic vinaigrette. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, fun, and simple recipes, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and be sure to check below for details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. So I had requested a couple of cookbooks for Christmas several years back and my daughter bought them for me and I just had no idea how involved some of these recipes are. Like some of them are really, or at least in my mind, are very complicated. But since then I've gathered up more of her cookbooks and I have found some of the recipes to be quite simple and this happens to be one of them. I think this is a wonderful recipe. It has withstood the test of time. It is just great on salads. I use this on pasta salads. It also makes a great marinade and it's also easy to do, like I said. So I'm going to start with a half a cup of really good olive oil, and to that I'm going to add, now it calls for Dijon mustard, but if you've been watching me for a while, you know a lot of times if it calls for Dijon mustard, I'm putting in sweet and hot mustard. That's just what I like. I love the flavor. I love it in place of Dijon mustard. All right, so a little bit of mustard in there. We're going to use the juice of 1 lemon. And if you don't have one of these little citrus press like this to make it easy to juice your lemon, if you roll it around on the counter a little bit, or even pop it in the microwave, which is my favorite thing to do, for about 20-30 seconds, you'll get a lot more juice out of it. All right, so the juice of 1 lemon goes in. Make sure we don't have any lemon seeds in there. And then we need about, a quarter of this shallot. Just about, a half a tablespoon or so. And I think that looks pretty good. All right, so we also need a half a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Ooh, that shallot is strong and burning my eyes. And that goes in. We need a couple pinches of salt. Maybe a little more. And then just enough pepper to taste. So I'm just going to put in what I think, and then we'll give it a taste and see how it is. I'm going to whisk this together. And you can also use a white wine vinegar instead of a red wine. All right, so I've got a spoon here. I'm just going to dip in just so I can give this a taste. And that is perfect. It should be a little bit strong. It should kind of get your attention when you taste it. Otherwise, when you pour it on your salad, it's just the flavors just kind of get drowned out. So we want it to kind of wake us up a little bit. All right, and I think that is it. So a very simple, easy vinaigrette you can whip together in no time. So I hope you give this a try because it's really, really good. I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.